Oh no, it's a video. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we are going to...
We're trying to go home, and we're waiting for the tram, and we look, because it's coming, and then I see it hit a car.
Yeah.
The tram has hit a car.
So we're gonna go and check it out, very discreetly. So aujourd'hui... Ah, attention à la voiture. Otherwise we might have another accident. So today, Brittany, aren't we walking and doing a video tour
What?
of Montpellier?
I think it's raining.
Behind this truck is a car. The tram is empty. Oh, and it's going back. It's reversing. It's a good idea. You kicked the tire.
I missed it. Oh, we're gonna miss the tram now. We gotta go back.
They're laughing at us because we're taking a picture. He's in the car. The red car is blocking us.
Did it move?
He's attempting to start it up.
Why don't they just miss it? But they're far.
Ooh. Sicky. Oh, he's American. These are two Americans. She's not American.
Okay, I text Elliot first to text
What's up with that? Oh, the car moved. Now we can continue. Say bye to our viewers.
Au revoir. Oh no, but this is so fun. Are we gonna miss?
We caught it. Au revoir.
Can you believe we caught this? This is like amazing.
This will be on the news, people.
Actually, we should probably submit this because no one, Montpellier Plus.
Yeah, direct Montpellier.
I like how you call it that, but that's not what
It's called direct Montpellier.
It's called Montpellier Plus.
Whatever. Here's another tram. Maybe this one will hit a car too. Well, all I know is we're gonna have a lot better day than that guy. Car's a piece of junk anyway. Bye.